pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall, then we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi! I'm so very glad you clicked on this video. So I have more spoilers for you. Are you excited, my gems? Okay guys, guess what? We're gonna go through the spoilers, and this is the up-to-date version of what is out there. And I told you guys last time, if you didn't see my first spoiler video, I will link that in here. But it looked like we were getting the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, and we are. That's the one that has a $100 value. It's pretty new, and I'm excited to try it. And then we've got the Herbivore Botanicals that had a $58 value. We had the Pink Diamond Cleanser Balm for a $59 value. The 111 Skin for $135. And then they gave you, and it was probably going to be a choice of two palettes, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette or the Patrick Starrr Visionary palette. The Modern Renaissance has a $45 value. The Patrick Starrr has a $42 value. And if it's a choice, I gotta be honest, I have the Modern Renaissance, so I think I'll go with the Patrick Starrr. I want to know what you guys think. I'm actually going to include some swatches of this palette in this video, plus an eye look. I have it on my eyes today, so you guys can get an idea of what this palette can do. It is a very, very good palette. I do enjoy it. I don't use it much anymore because there are so many choices out there. But that is what I have for you for the spoilers today. Let's get in and do some swatches for this palette so you can see that. And then I'll go ahead and put in my eye look for today. And I will see you guys in a second. Okay, so if you get to choose between the Modern Renaissance and the Patrick Starrr, which one are you going to go for? I'm going to choose the Patrick Starrr because I have not tried the eyeshadows yet. I do have the setting powders. They're actually okay. The primer, it's all right. I got that in the Trend Mood box. And I'm super happy I had bought that box because I got to try out new products. And then we've got, like I said, you guys might end up with the Modern Renaissance palette. And I can do some swatches for you if you'd like. I've had this for a very long time. Let's see. Yes, guys, look! Woohoo! Put some up here. Yes. That is the first row. We'll do the second row. I have to say, this is a very well curated palette too. And the pigment is so there. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? I just wanted to give you guys a little bit, I just wanted to give you guys a preview of what this palette is in case you've never seen it, you've never used it, or you just didn't get the chance to buy it when it first came out. So it's definitely a great palette. It was one of their best-selling, top-selling palettes for sure. So what did you think of the spoilers? I am super excited about Glam Bag X. It is the $55 quarterly subscription that will replace the Glam Bag Plus or the regular Glam Bag. And it's upgraded 8 full-size products, and we are looking at Charlotte Tilbury possibly being in there. We're looking at Patrick Starrr. We're looking at Anastasia Beverly Hills, Morphe, and a bunch of others. So I am going to list all the products in here that you can get with the Glam Bag X, and I am looking forward to hearing what you guys have to say about it. What product would you want to try? Put that in the comments below, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I do have a clip where I have the Modern Renaissance on my eyes today, so I'm going to insert that in here for you. I do a quick eye look for you just so you can get a little bit of an idea of what this palette can do, and let me know what you think in the comments below. All right, let's get into that look. Okay guys, being that it's very possible you guys could get the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to go ahead and do a look with this. Now, it's very, very loved. This is what my palette looks like. Yes, I've hit pan on a few, but let's go in with Tempera and start off this eye look. And we're just going to kind of put this everywhere using a Luxie blending brush. I put MAC Paint Pot on my eyes. And let's see if I can do a nice look for you guys. You guys, if you haven't tried Anastasia products before, or you missed out on the Renaissance palette in the past and you wind up getting it, you'll have an idea of what you want to do. You've got some beautiful, they're not reds, they're like maroon colors in here. And then you've got some awesome neutrals. And there's like this, I don't think I've ever used this one color over here, but every other one I've used. So you've got a few options in here. I mean, we can go in with the burnt orange and put that right in the crease. Oh, this is really a good palette. And Anastasia does have some really, an awesome formula for eyeshadows. I think the only palette people had an issue with was Subculture when that launched, but I have that palette too, and you can get it to work. But I do love me some Anastasia. Oh yeah. And you do see Anastasia in some of the Ipsy. If you go through the app, you'll see her. So it's kind of like, okay, I saw Khloe and I saw her and I said, I bet you in the Glam Bag X it's going to be them. And they are, of course, it's Khloe sharing her favorites, and some of her favorites include Anastasia. So it's like, so yeah. If you get this palette, I guarantee you are going to be in love with it. If I get mine, if I get one, I'm going to do a giveaway because I already have it. The reds are super famous in here. And let me just see. Do we want to go in with the reds or do we want to, let me go in with the brown. Cypress Umber. Oh yeah, look at that. That's insane. The pigment. And it just blends like butter. I really, really love these palettes. Look. Oh, yes, baby. My lip is numb. I went to the dermatologist today and I had them put a little bit of an injection in my top lip. So this way when I smile, my top lip does not disappear. So it's numb right now. And it is working because now I have a little bit of a lip here when I do smile. I just wanted like a hint of something because every time I smiled you couldn't see my top lip and my lips are pretty full. So so far I'm enjoying it. It's just really, really numb. Like when I go to drink something, I'm afraid it's gonna spill all over me. Okay, so we want a better blending brush. Now that we've placed this color down, I'm gonna go in with a Morphe blending brush. And we are just going to get this brown in here. Yes. Super excited. I'm so excited for Glam Bag X in May. And I love high-end products. I just really, really do. Okay, so now that we've got that in there, I'm going to go ahead and grab a packing brush or a flat brush. This is the Morphe M421. It's one of my favorites. I am going to use a little bit of setting spray on this because I already know how these shadows perform and I really want this shimmer to pop. Primavera. I guess that's how you pronounce it. I don't know, but I want to put that right here. Yeah, it's a nice shimmer. Oh, you see that? See what I mean? Nice bronze look. Oh yeah, for sure. I'm loving that. Maybe we'll put a little bit of red somewhere in here. I mean, that is what this palette is known for. But you can get a neutral look as well. So it's something to keep in mind. I really do think that if you get this palette, you're going to love it. Okay. So we got that in there. Let me go back in and just kind of smooth this out. There's a little bit of fallout. It's not a lot. Subculture is the one that had a lot of fallout. Okay. So now that I've done this, I want to go in with taupe, warm taupe. We're going to put that up here. It's just, I like the outer part of my lid to be darker. So we'll do that. And then I think we will go ahead and dust underneath my eye with Venetian Red or Love Letter. And those two colors are similar. It's just so you can get the vibe of what the red will do. I'm placing it down with this Luxie pencil brush. And then we'll go back in and smoke it out. And I think what I'm going to do is take this gold brush here and put that in Love Letter. And we're just going to put a little bit of Love Letter up here. So you guys can get an idea of what the reds can do and how it can just immediately change this look. And blend that out. Super pretty. Okay, I need me my pencil brush. My Morphe pencil brush. I'll go ahead and blend underneath the eye. Then I'm going to add some eyeliner. And we'll do mascara and lashes. I'm going to go in with black liner. Okay guys, so this is my finished look. What do you guys think? Are you looking forward to getting this palette? Put all of that information down in the comments below. And if you're new, make sure to say hello so I know that you're here. And tell me what your favorite color is. Alright guys, thanks so much for joining me for this video. I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye!